Hello lovely people, you welcome to Dr. Rose's kitchen. So today's recipe is going to be amazing. Let's not waste time, let's get started.
Tasty, I like that. This side here, say cheese.
So today's recipe is Ghana palava sauce or kontomire stew, and I have my ingredients listed on the screen.
We go give you all the vibes. We go make your food so nice.
I'm sure you've gone through the ingredients, so let's start chopping our kontomire or cocoyam leaves. So I already have my water on stove. Yes, it's waiting patiently for the kontomire or the cocoyam leaves.
Tasty, I like that.
So now that my water is boiling, I'll go ahead and put the cocoyam leaves or kontomire in the pot. I'll cook this for just 5 minutes. It's now 5 minutes. I'll strain the water and start blending my vegetable. So we are blending our pepper and onions. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my fresh tomatoes, and then I'll blend my white seeds or agushi. So at this point, I'll add salt to my eggs and mix it. And then I'll add my white seeds or agushi and mix it together to mix. So I'll go ahead and put my pot on the stove for it to become hot and add my red oil or palm oil. I'll add my onions, I'll stir, and then add my salted fish. So I'm adding my garlic ginger paste, and then my blended pepper and onions. I'll stir well to mix. I'll add my blended tomatoes, my tinned tomatoes, at this point you're gonna keep stirring, okay, so you don't burn your pot. You cover it so you don't stay in your kitchen. So I'm adding my egg and agushi mix. I'll arrange it well in the pot and I'll cover it. So I'll check it after 5 minutes and stir it again and cover it. So I'll add my seasoning cube and then my mixed spice by Rosie.
Tasty, I like that.
I'll add my tuna and I'll stir. I'll add salt to taste and I'll stir gently to mix. I'll add my mackerel and I'll gently stir so it doesn't scatter.
We gon' make you feel so right. We gon' give you all the vibes. We gon' make your food so nice. Even if you don't know cry, you gon' know. We gon' make you feel so right.
So at this point, I'm gonna add my kontomire to it. And then mix it well. Stir to mix. Now it is well mixed. So I'll go ahead and add my chicken pepper, yes, voila, it is ready guys. You are well invited. Yes, it smells so nice and it tastes so nice. Do this recipe and thank me later. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, follow and share. Thank you. I'll bring you another amazing recipe next time. Bye bye.
feel so right, yeah. Dr. Ross's kitchen, Ediani Bankwan. Ross's kitchen, Ediani Pie. Dr. Ross's kitchen,